Sounds in Words by Pip Noble. Crust said, "Hey, you fabulous people, we're little toasties. My sister's name is Crumb. I'm Crust. We're making our debut in this pretty awesome audiobook." Crumb says, "Each letter makes a sound. Sometimes 2 letters and 3 letters can also make a sound. Subscribe to Picture Educational." Crust said, "The sound of the water pounding down is thunderous. The deafening curtain of water is bewitching. Creatures seek shelter below the trickling sensation." Crumb said, "All humans celebrate in a variety of ways. We cherish and make memories of a matter of importance." Crumb said, "This little person has an endless supply of enthusiasm, determination, imagination, and resourcefulness. Nature and nurture will enhance his productivity." Crust said, "Doctors and nurses are our silent heroes. They save and manage a plentiful population. Years of meticulous studying ensures countless dedication to honour our being." Crust said, "This girl wishes to become extremely sophisticated in her understanding of miscellaneous matters. She has an abundant supply of books to enhance her vocabulary and become knowledgeable. Escaping into the world of books is captivating." Crust said, "The horizon is extremely mountainous. These majestic eagles are collaborating with each other regarding their next meal. They're eagerly awaiting a delightful catch." Crust said, "I feel enlightened as there is a plethora of creativity and miscellaneous artworks." Crust said, "There are so many buttons accumulating here that it would take me forever to determine and calculate the result. I was astonished when I obtained the amount. The end. Finished. Goodbye.